Hello everyone, this is Pavel from On Time Contractors. Our company has been building custom homes and remodeling homes since 2001. Today I would like to talk to you about best materials to build decks. See this beautiful deck? We built it 6 years ago. Everything looks great, does it? But look at the floor. See this green area? Big spot? This is where the water stands. And it doesn't drain. So the issue that we have with this Timbertech decking, we installed it according to the manufacturer instructions, but the area between the boards gets filled with dirt. And even if you pressure wash it, it doesn't come out. Look at this. I'm taking a pitcher of water and spilling on it. See? Water doesn't drain. It stays between the boards. And this is what I don't like. Even if you pressure wash it and put pressure washer inside between the boards, all dirt stays there. It's like a mortar almost. See, it's draining here, but not draining here. Overall, I like the decking. So it's 6 years old. It held up pretty well, and it gets washed once every year. But manufacturer, which is Timbertech, really needs to do something to come up with bigger gaps. Gaps should be at least 1/4 of an inch for the water to drain properly. If you look here into this little hole, you could see that there is a clip that is holding up the decking, and there are no screws anywhere. So would I build another deck from this type of material? Probably yes, even though it's 2 times to 3 times more expensive than building from regular pressure treated wood. But if you don't want to have a headache of staining, scraping and painting, this is the way to go. And if money is not an issue, but I would strongly recommend to manufacture to create bigger gaps between the boards. The material that I like is stone treated wood. See that dock that we built right there? It's 1 year old, 2 years old, I'm sorry. 2 year olds. It hasn't changed the color. It's about 24 feet wide by 22 feet deep, and in material costs we spent approximately $6,000 to build it. If we were building it from Timbertech, we would spend at least $12,000 to $15,000. I like that material a lot because you don't have to stain it, and it's a little bit more expensive than pressure treated wood, but it's much better than cedar, because cedar rots usually within 10 years and you have to replace decking. The best material is pressure treated wood. See that dock over there? It's, according to the neighbor, it's at least 20 years old. If it would be built from cedar, it would be gone by now. So choose either pressure treated wood or tone treated wood, or if you have more money, you could use Timbertech decking. Another thing that I don't like about Timbertech decking, if you have grease on it, the spot is very difficult to remove. Thanks for watching, and builders, remember, build great houses that would last for at least 200 years so our children could live in them.